It's Brittany, and I'm back with another tutorial. This one is going to be in my lapis charcuterie board series, but I'm not going to be using any lapis in this one. It's just these are some of the beads that I picked out to go with that color palette, and they thought they looked really cool. And I was putting away the beads from just a minute ago, making this bracelet and the first necklace in the series, and I was like, you know what, this is super cute. I really want to get it done. I got these quartz beads from Anne Marie. They're gorgeous, and I can't wait to work them into several pieces. And this really cute little moon. I got this from Beadaholic a while back, and this cute little rhinestone bead from Jessie James Beads. And then I have two different clasps. I haven't decided which one I'll use. I'm leaning towards this one because it has the same dimples as the moon. But this one's a sun, so it's hard to choose. But like I said, this one's going to be really fast. I actually have some leftover wire from my necklace and my bracelet that I wanted to use up. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. Let's just cut these open. So I'm going to pile on all of these beads in one spot. It's going to be an asymmetrical bracelet. You know I love those. While I'm thinking about it, I'm going to clamp the other end of this wire because it's not on the spool. And then I'm going to put on my little Jessie James bead crystal to get it to transition into the quartz. I guess this doesn't have a hole. It's just, you got to kind of find the middle. I think that looks good enough. That's pretty. And then I'm going to open up the quartz and finish off the bracelet by using the quartz. Super simple, but it's going to be high impact because we're using some beautiful check beads and some gorgeous gemstones. And the thing is, with this one, you can wear it anywhere, either on the bottom top side of your wrist, because you have something like that's really just a focal throughout the bracelet. The beautiful glass beads, the quartz, the rhinestone, and the moon. I'm going to use my new crimper with this one because I don't want to mess with crimp covers. So I got the new magic crimper crimping tool from Softflex. Well, it's not new. It's new to me because I haven't had one. So I'll get that out in a minute. I'm just going to keep piling on crystals. So my neighbor has a Dodge Charger. It was a really cool car. But every time he starts it and drives out or brings it back, it shakes my house. It's the loudest thing. I never realized how loud those cars were until one lives right. He's brand new, right next door. I don't mind though. Don't yuck somebody's yum, right? All right, I think this is gonna be long enough. Actually, I think it's way too long. So we're heading toward, what was I doing? Heading towards necklace territory. All right, let's try it on my wrist. Way too big. All right, so let me take this one off. Okay, I'm gonna take one more of these quartz beads off, and then I think we'll be good. I am not gonna go with the sun. I'm gonna go with the other one. Get out my new magical crimper, and I have a bunch of different, so I'm going to go with my gold crimp beads. You only want to use the Softflex ones. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and crimp this. I'm just gonna find the little crimp tube, slide it into my magical crimping tool, make sure it's all lined up right, and squish. There we go. Squish. And it makes a ravioli, and then I'll just keep going. Oh no, I made a little bit of a this is too long. I wasn't paying attention. I was too enamored by the ravioli. Oh my goodness. See? Fun tools break our concentration. All right, I'm going to do the other side. I can crack that off because I have enough of this down. I'm going to do the other side, see how I feel. Okay, so the crystals, the crystal quartz are a little too, the holes are too small for the bead to go through twice. So that's no problem. I will find my magic crimping tool. Pull that. And we've got a ravioli. And we'll keep going. There we go. I got a cute little bead. I think I'm going to redo the other side. I think that'll drive me nuts when I'm wearing it. I'm going to try it on and just double check. Yeah, I do not like the look. So hopefully I can crack this bead off. I haven't tried with a magical crimp tube before. Might be a little difficult, but we'll get it. I'll either do that or I'll cut it off very carefully. By carefully, I mean send it flying through the bead room without goggles on. Oh my goodness. This was not the tool's fault. It was definitely me not paying attention while I was crimping. There we go. All right. 2.0. Crimp 2.0. All right. See, that's why I always leave a tail when I'm crimping and don't cut. So it's actually going to be probably a little easier to get a closer crimp this time because the other side's already finished. There we go. We have a little bead. Very cute. Much better. Trim our wire. And then I will put my charm on my charm bracelet. There we go. We've got a cute little bracelet and I love it. Works wonderfully with the theme of lapis, but it doesn't have to be lapis. So if you have navy blue and maybe you don't have lapis in your stash, just follow along with the navy blue. So I love it. I'm happy. And picking out these beads has gotten me my bead mojo back. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, Goldie. I love you. I love you.